Hello friends, in this video we are going to see GATE problem from the topic kinematics. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering, set 4, question number 43 for 2 marks. Consider the following statements regarding streamlines. So 4 statements are there. It is a continuous line such that tangent at any point on it shows the velocity vector at that point. There is no flow across streamlines. dx by u, dy by v, dz by w is the differential equation of a streamline, where u, v, w are the velocity components in direction x, y, and z respectively. In an unsteady flow, the path of the particle is a streamline. So regarding streamline, correct? So we know about the streamline. What is the definition of streamline? First of all, the definition of streamline: it is an imaginary line drawn in any flow field such that tangent drawn to it at any point gives the direction of velocity vector at that point. So suppose we are having, so this is a streamline. If you draw the tangent at any point, it will give you the direction of velocity vector at that point. If you are going to draw the tangent at this point, it's going to give you the direction of velocity vector at that point. And it is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line. So streamline is an imaginary line drawn in any flow field such that tangent drawn to it at any point gives you the direction of velocity vector at that point. That means each and every point on the streamline is capable of giving the direction of velocity vector at that point. So definitely the first point is correct. It is a continuous line such that tangent at any point on it shows the velocity vector at that point. Okay. Now, second point is that there is no cross flow across a streamline. There is no cross flow across a streamline. There is no cross flow across a streamline. That means the streamlines are mostly straight and parallel. The streamline can be like this. So it will not intersect. It will not intersect. So this is a streamline for the vortex flow. And the streamline can be so non-intersecting, you can see. So there is no cross flow across a streamline. So suppose if you are drawing a streamline like this, so this is wrong. This cannot be streamline because it is intersecting at this point, at this point. So there is no cross flow across a streamline. So these are the 4 examples. That is correct. So definitely this option is also right point. And equation of streamline is given by dx by u equal to dy by v equal to dz by w for the 3-dimension flow. If you are having 2 dimension, you can just make use of this 2. So this is also correct. Point 3 is the differential equation for a streamline. And the 4th point, in an unsteady flow, the path of the particle is a streamline. That is wrong point, because when the flow is steady, in that condition only we can say that a streamline, path line, and a straight line are same. That means there is no geometrical difference between the streamline, path line, and straight line. Condition is that when the flow is steady. So 4th option is wrong. So now you can see 1, 2, 3 is correct. So option A is wrong. 1, 2, 4 it is. 2, 3, 4 that is also wrong because of this 4th point. Because of this 4th point, which is not correct. So this is also 4th point not correct. 1, 2, 3, yeah. D is the right option. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.